Summer trip planning is in full swing. Whether you're spending money on a long-awaited trip or a spur-of-the-moment getaway, travel insurance can save you money, time and frustration if things go wrong. We evaluated 46 plans to find the best travel insurance. 1. AXA Assistance USA. Why we picked it. AXA's Platinum plan hits all the high points for coverage that you'll want if you're looking for top-notch protection. 2. CAT 70. Why we picked it. CAT 70's travel plan has great medical and evacuation coverage that makes it worth a look, especially if the lower limits on certain other benefits don't bother you. 3. Go. Ready. Why we picked it. While the medical coverage isn't as robust as some other top plans, the low average prices for Go Ready's Pandemic Plus plan make it worth considering if the medical benefit level works for you. 4. HTH Worldwide. Why we picked it. HTH's Trip Protector Preferred Plan has luxury level benefits at a good price. 5. John Hancock Insurance Agency. Why we picked it. John Hancock's Gold Plan has superior coverage, but it also comes with a high average price. John Hancock's Silver Plan has somewhat lower coverage levels but still deserves consideration because of its solid benefits. 6. Nationwide. Why we picked it. While $150,000 in coverage for an accident or sickness isn't superior, this plan offers an array of other very good benefits for a good price. 7. Seven Corners. Why we picked it. Seven Corners Round Trip Choice Plan has superior benefits across the board. 8. Tin Leg. Why we picked it. Tin Leg's Gold Plan has a very competitive average price for the generous level of benefits it provides. Check out the Tin Leg Adventure Plan if you plan to do adventure activities. What does travel insurance cover? Comprehensive travel insurance policies package together a number of valuable benefits. You can also buy policies that cover only trip cancellation or only medical expenses. With the wide variety of plans available, you can find coverage levels that will fit your budget and trip needs. Trip cancellation insurance. You don't book a trip with the intention of canceling it, but unexpected illness, injury, family member sickness, jury duty and more could derail plans. Trip cancellation insurance reimburses you 100% for money you lose in prepaid, non-refundable deposits if you have to cancel for a reason listed in the policy. A good strategy is to ensure the total amount you have put into non-refundable and prepaid deposits. Don't insure refundable amounts, like refundable plane tickets, because you can't make an insurance claim for that. Travel medical insurance. This is important coverage for travelers going abroad, where your U.S. health plan may have limited local coverage or no coverage. Travel medical insurance pays for ambulance service, doctor and hospital bills, and other medical expenses during your trip. You can find generous coverage limits of up to $500,000 per person, but depending on your trip you may not need that level of coverage. Emergency medical evacuation coverage. This is also important coverage for those traveling abroad, especially if you're going to a remote area where quality medical care might be hard to find. Emergency medical evacuation insurance pays to get you to the nearest adequate medical facility. You can find ample coverage of $1 million per person. Cancel for any reason coverage. You may be able to upgrade your trip cancellation insurance to cancel for any reason, CFAR, coverage. Not all providers offer this add-on. Having it allows you to cancel your trip for any reason that's not listed in your base policy. For example, you could cancel the trip because you simply don't feel like going anymore. Reimbursement under a CFAR claim is often 75% of your trip costs, not the 100% that's available under the base trip cancellation coverage. Travel delay insurance. Travel delay insurance reimburses you for expenses if you're stuck somewhere and have to buy necessities to tide you over. For example, if you're stuck in an airport all day because of a weather delay, this coverage can reimburse you for essential purchases like snacks and toiletries. Trip interruption insurance. If you have to cut your trip short because of a reason listed in the policy, this is valuable coverage to have. It can reimburse you for the non-refundable parts of your trip that you miss, such as a resort stay or prepaid scuba diving lesson. Baggage and personal effects coverage. Losing your bags can really ruin a trip. Baggage coverage can at least ease the financial pain a little. It can reimburse you for the bags and clothes and shoes that never arrive, although note that reimbursement is for the depreciated value of the items, not the cost to buy new ones. Baggage delay coverage. Your bags may be on their own detour, but what do you do while you're waiting? This coverage reimburses you for necessities while you wait for your luggage. Summer trip planning is in full swing. Whether you're spending money on a long-awaited trip or a spur-of-the-moment getaway, travel insurance can save you money, time and frustration if things go wrong. We evaluated 46 plans to find the best travel insurance.